Hey, Rook Knight here. Thanks for joining me. Today I'd like to put an entry into Jack Fox's 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Congratulations, Jack, on your awesome milestone, my friend. I've been watching you from just about the very beginning, and you've always made your videos entertaining as well as inspirational, and I've learned a lot, my friend. Today I want to pick this Walsco 5-pinner. Here's the bidding on that. Show it in the works here. Get a quick snap on there. What I like about this lock, though, is just the warding and the narrow keyway that it has. It's a very, it's a fun one to pick. Comparing it to the Schlage right here, you can see a decent difference, actually. If I can get it to focus in for 5 seconds. All right. And with that said, let's see if we can get it open. Although it's not required, it still would be nice. So here we go. And the best for last. Come on. That last one seems like it's stuck. Now the fourth one and the third one. There we go. We got an open. All right. Hopefully that will cement my entry into Jack Fox's 1,000 subscriber giveaway. And again, Jack, congratulations on the milestone. Here's to another 1,000. Everybody else, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you all on the flip side.